Welcome to Nifty Trades YouTube channel. So we'll look at what happened today in the market and what is expected from the market tomorrow. So this is a channel we talk about Nifty 100 points, Bank Nifty 250 points, and Reliance 20 points daily. So let's start with, as usual, Nifty, what we had planned and what it executed. So we said even if the market gap up opens and then if it comes inside at any point of time, today's close are kind of this high that we are having it always, right? Once it come inside, I think we can go for short, we said, and if we exactly give 100 points and then market remain there, volatile and remain there. So this was the only trade possible. Even though it gap up, it never gave a chance of going high. It started coming down directly, and then here was the entry, and it gave exactly 100 points, and that is the trade that we had it today. And what can we expect from the market tomorrow is very simple. So if market gap up opens near this high, today's high, we have to wait for whether it is getting broken or it is getting rejected here. Based on that, we go for long or short near the today's high, or gap down if it is near the today's low. If it is broken, if it is broken gap down, we go for short. If it is bouncing, we can go for long. So this is what we have trade. And for flat case, we have to wait for either market coming in either a side and then taking, see whether it is going to break it or not, or going to bounce it. So most likely, if flat opens, so we may see the market being volatile and settling in this range only, not breaking or kind of settling sideways exactly. So if you look at it 30 minutes, you can see the market is converging in a triangle pattern. So it is like at least one, two swings will be there up and down. Then probably we may expect a break or not tomorrow. That we have to wait and see it tomorrow, right? So most likely looks to be seller market if there is no gap up or flat open tomorrow. If there is a flat open, so we can expect market being seller market remain the same region and only decay the premiums. That is what I could see it for tomorrow if it gap if flat opens. So this is what I have captured it in the slide also. Today below 296, 21,964 we said, but market gave entry near 21,9, yeah, around that one it gave entry, and we got we got 100 points target, and then gap up, as I said. All these points are captured. You can probably like pause this video and then see all what I have mentioned it here. And let's come to what can we expect from the market tomorrow, right? So let's look at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, what we said is we said if since it is double bottom, if once it crosses flat opening, and we can expect to market going up till here to 50 points. But what happened? It gave a gap up and then it kind of took a resistance and started moving down, and it never gave after that. It gave never gave a reversal. It was volatile all time, and probably the entry was only here once it came entry inside before previous days high. Once it came, this one probably the entry was here from here to 50 points. Probably if you had a plan for it, we could have got it. So this is how we need to trade for based on the price action. But if you look at for tomorrow, like looks like market is in a clearly in a box. If you see it 30 minutes, it's in a box. So we have to see the real brute trade can happen after breaking this box only. If we see that if it market breaks this either side, probably we can wait for next candle to see whether it is a fake breakout or is going to is a real breakup. So we need to wait. If you see market after breaking, just flowing it up, go for a long, and we have to have a strict stop loss once it comes inside 50 points. Better come out of it as a stop loss. Otherwise, hold it to 50 points. Market is going to give at least 400 points. 250 points, but 400 points we can expect based on the size of the box, right? So I'm seeing 400 is a point that the box size is, which is like we can expect market going up or below also. If market gap down opens and breaks this one, I think market will go down for 400 points. This is what I could see the trade for Bank Nifty. And Reliance was it was a good trade. I mean, we said if it breaks this, and we can expect 20 points in the upside. So exactly it did that turn, and then it remained volatile after that. So it was a good trade for Reliance also. As per plan, it went well, and then so tomorrow, if it breaks this today's high, so we can expect market going up again 20 points actually. So this I could see it, even though like it has to. If it doesn't break, I think if it gets rejected at the box without breaking it, we can see market coming inside this and then coming touching the low of the box, so that I could see it. First trade is if breaking today's high, we can expect 20 points market going up 29.20. If it not able to break, it will come down touching the low of the box or today's low. So it might come touching the today's low. These are the two trades. If it is a gap down, wait for a bounce. Again, coming up, if it breaks, it will go down. So these are the trades that we can talk about. Multiple trades that based for the typical box trading that we can do it. Right. This is what we have it. Hope you are able to understand this trade that you're talking about daily, the scenarios for these three scripts: Nifty, Bank Nifty, and the Reliance, and take the trades accordingly, right? So, if you can like this video, if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, and then also forward to your friends to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching this video.